Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how does Ecwid work. So what is Ecwid by Lightspeed at first? So Ecwid by Lightspeed is an e-commerce platform that helps you create and just mold your actual online store. So this is like your Shopify and you can drop ship using your Ecwid. So Ecwid by Lightspeed will be easy to use and you can start selling anywhere and online and in person. So it's ideal for small to medium sized businesses. They offer a free plan and no setup charges and no transaction fees, used by hundreds of thousands for 175 countries. So you can check out its pricing right here and how does it work. So here you will see you got the free plan, which will work forever and whenever. So it's just going to be an easy online store to launch for your business for free. You can create a store, they have templates, but if you want, you can also get the venture and business plan right here. Build annually or $25 month to month. You'll get 100 products plus e-goods. You have the capability to sell on Instagram, mobile store management, live chat, access to the app market, automated tax calculation, discount coupons, customized checkouts, and built-in domains and advanced reports. So remember, you won't get these perks when you go with the free. So when you go with the free, all you have to do is sign up right here and you'll be able to create your store as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can just pick a template from the actual place where you pick templates and then you'll be able to create your store. It's really simple to create one, so you will be able to have your shopping cart, your details, your sale, delivery, and your contact, and you'll be able to track them also using the free ones, but it's going to be limited, of course. So there you can sell everywhere and anywhere using EasyWid, and it's really simple. So it's just like your actual Shopify, but it's also a community for your successful business owners right here where you can also talk to them and whenever you can do so. So you also want to check out the link in the checkout in the description below. So it's really simple to use EasyWid and that's how it works. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.